So my domain was x cannot equal 1. For the range, I can go down forever. I can go up forever. But as I'm following it up and down, I have this horizontal line I can't cross or touch. So f of x cannot equal 2. Okay, so we have a little bit more going on in the next problem. I notice that there's a hole drawn. So that's going to be my hole. It's at -1, -1. I drew in the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So this is my vertical with a pink. My vertical line is always x equals, so it's going to be x equals -2. The blue is my horizontal, and it is always going to be y equals. In this case, it's going to be 1. And then my domain and range. So my domain, x, such as I'm going left to right, I can go left forever here. I'm going right, but I can't cross or touch this vertical line here at -2. So x cannot equal -2. And then I'm going right some more, but I have to jump over that hole, and that x value is -1. So it can't equal -1 either. But then I can go right forever, so it can be anything else. For the range, I'm going down forever. As I come up, I have to jump over that hole. I cannot equal that y value for the hole. So we're going to have f of x, such as f of x cannot equal -1. I keep going up. I'm going up forever here, but I'm getting closer and closer to this line that I can't cross or touch, and that's 1. So y can't equal 1 either. It can equal 0.9999999, but it cannot equal 1. And then I go up forever, and there's nothing else I have to jump over. Hopefully you're starting to maybe see a pattern between our holes in vertical asymptote and domain and our hole in horizontal asymptote and range. For 5, because I didn't give you the equation again and I didn't draw a hole, there's no holes. I did not dot in the asymptotes here, but you can dot them in yourself. So if you look at it, there's a vertical line right here that I'm getting super close to, and I can tell I'm getting super close to because I'm getting very, very, very steep on both sides of it. So that's going to be 2. So we have one at x equals 2. And then I can find my horizontal one too by kind of looking at the graph. I'm getting super, super gradual here and super, super gradual there. So it's going to be y equals -3. So again, for domain, we're talking about left and right. So I can go left forever. As I'm going right, though, I can't cross or touch this line right here. And that's 2. And then I jump over it, and I come to the other side. So that's like 2.00001. And I can keep going right forever. So x cannot equal 2. For the range, we're talking about going up and down. So f of x, such as I'm going down forever. As I come up, I get super, super close to -3, but I can't cross or touch -3. So f of x cannot equal -3. I jump over it, and I can go up forever. So I'm good. This one's a little crazy, and I did not mark the points on this graph, so we're going to have to do a little estimating with some of this. First of all, though, I didn't mark a hole, and we don't have any equations. So we're going to assume there's no hole. When I look at this graph, I can see I'm getting super steep here and super steep here. So I'm going to have a vertical asymptote at -2. I'm also going to have another vertical asymptote because I see it gets super steep right around 2 again on both sides. So I have 2 vertical asymptotes here, and I can see that I'm getting